Many countries are famous for their unique food specialties. Some are known for their spicy dishes, while others are famous for their sweet treats. However, there is one country that stands out for its world-famous chocolate. With a long history of chocolate making and some of the finest brands, this country is loved by chocolate lovers from around the world. Switzerland is famous as the land of chocolates because of its major role in chocolate making history. The country is known for creating milk chocolate and the conching process, which gives chocolate its smooth and creamy texture. Swiss chocolatiers are recognized worldwide for making high quality, delicious chocolate. Pioneering chocolate makers in the early 1800s, Switzerland became a leader in chocolate making. In 1819, Francisco Louis Calais opened the first factory that used machines to make chocolate. This made chocolate production faster and more efficient. In 1875, Daniel Peter, a Swiss chocolatier, created the first solid milk chocolate bar. He worked with Henri Nestle, who provided condensed milk. This made the chocolate smoother and creamier, making it very popular. In 1879, Rudolf Lindt invented the conching process. This method mixes cocoa butter, cocoa musk, milk and sugar for a long time. It makes the chocolate smooth, creamy and rich in flavor. The Swiss didn't invent chocolate, but they revolutionized it in several key ways. Swiss chocolate is known for its fine ingredients, precise craftsmanship, and commitment to purity and taste. Brands like Lindt, Toblerone, Calais, and Sprungli have become globally recognized symbols of Swiss chocolate excellence. Chocolate is deeply rooted in Swiss culture and tourism. Visitors can take chocolate making classes, tour factories, museums. The country also hosts chocolate festivals and markets throughout the year. The Swiss are among the world's top chocolate consumers per capita, which shows how integrated chocolate is in daily life and traditions. Switzerland, a country famous for its rich history of chocolate making, where the air is sweet with the scent of melting chocolate and the sound of chocolate wrappers crumbling is music to the ears. It's a chocolate lover's paradise where dreams come true and fantasies are made of chocolate. Choosing which chocolate to indulge in can be a daunting task, especially when faced with the endless options available in Switzerland. From creamy milk chocolates to rich dark chocolates, and from smooth white chocolates to fruity and nutty flavor combinations, the possibilities are endless. In Switzerland, chocolate is not just a treat, it's a way of life. It's a symbol of love, of friendship, of celebration and of joy. It's a reminder that life is short and we should indulge in the sweet things that make us happy.